Do you know many people are having trouble with changing their car's turn signal bulbs? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open liftgate. Begin by opening the liftgate of your vehicle to access the tail lamp housing. Step 2. Remove pins. Remove the 2 push pins that are securing the tail lamp housing in place. Step 3. Disengage lamp. Pull the tail lamp firmly to disengage it from the aperture panel. Step 4. Remove socket. Twist and remove the socket from the light assembly carefully. Step 5. Replace bulb. Take out the old bulb and insert a new bulb into the socket. After these steps, your new turn signal bulb should be working perfectly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Jeep users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.